Hey gang, so Sarah here. I am here to do a deep dive on friends and family. So if you haven't been following along, I'm kind of revamping and getting back into just organizing my life so I can like remove the chaos basically. And I'm walking you through how I do this. And this is exactly how I kind of do it for Lean in my job. So I've been doing a lot of mind maps, so go check out the previous videos. But today I'm going to do a deep dive on my friends and family, and this will be the foundation of like my systems, and from there I'll start to like establish goals or things that I want to do, vacations, whatever, right? So I'll start to brainstorm different ideas or things that my family members may need, and I treat them all like a project and kind of like schedule it into my life so I can just wrangle all the chaos and be just like more calm. And it also helps me be able to manage the chaos a little better that does come in that I can't foresee. So I'm gonna do friends and family today. And yeah, so again, just a disclosure, I did this already on a piece of paper and it was so messy. So I'm redoing it, and I'm not promising that it's not gonna be not messy, but I'm just gonna keep doing it. All right, so we all know, let's go back. So where did we start? So I did a high level, just mind map of my life. This is again, very high level. So can you see? And then from there, I did a rating. So like my friends and family, I rated a 3, and a 3 stands for okay. But I want to develop it a little bit further, like get a little bit more granular, because again, the devil is in the details. So I'm going to get granular so I know what I have to manage and plan for going forward. So we're just gonna get into it. So some of this, like I haven't like fully figured out how I'm gonna structure it yet. I'm really kind of doing this with you in my mind. So friends and family, fam. Okay. So I'll start with kind of like the immediate family, which is my kids. And I have a son 1 and son 2, I guess, right? And then I got my pets, and I got the Bogey Boo, and I got the oregano. And then I have like my sister's family, I have extended family, I have like friends. What else? You guys can't see that. Hold on, stand by. All right, can you see it better? You're probably just seeing a lot of my back of my head. Let's see, I also have like family, it's summer, so I want to do like a family vacation or summer activities. I am so close to this. This is stressing me out. Like vacation, because I want to plan a vacation. All right, so if I start to go a little bit more granular, my son, the older one, he's got college going on. I still kind of handle his medical stuff. My younger son has got college, high school grad, and then medical, and then I don't know, they're kind of like self-sufficient. They work, they do their thing, we hang out, it's fine. Bogey, my doggy, medical, my cat oregano, medical. Okay, my sister, she has her sons, her husband, and then I don't know, like I just spend time with them. Extended fam, like I don't know, like there's just is like everybody else. I'm like got a huge family, so I don't know, I don't even know what to put there because we don't really see each other often, but sometimes things come up, or maybe I could encourage something, I don't know. So I don't know, I'm gonna put just question mark. Friends, so I have like I don't know, all my friends. I'm not gonna put friends like each of their names, right? Like what do I do here? I know I have like the book club friends. I have like old job friends. I don't know, and then like old friends. I don't know. I don't know how to classify them, but anyway, summer plans. So like beach. What else? like cookouts. This is probably more getting into like brainstorming stuff, but anyway, vacation. I want to like where, when, right? Like that kind of thing. And I guess I might have my boyfriend. Can you guys see? All right, so for summer plans, I got beach, cookouts. So like things that I want to do. I want to make time for these things. Vacation. I don't know. I want to go somewhere. I don't know where with my kids. Kids, they like, there's not too much going on. Again, they have like college and they're graduating. Any medical things they got going on, just gotta manage that, keep it on my radar. But I would like to include them in the vacation because there's so many different schedules. So that's kind of what, like their schedules, that's what I want to put on there. Their schedules. Because like they have different schedules now. It's such a pain. My pets, it's just managing the pets, you know, and loving them. My sister, just kind of planning things with her. I know we have like a little trip coming up and her family comes over pretty often with my nephews. And then extended family, I'm not going to do anything there, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And then my friends, so I just put like the different, like where I have friends that I used to work with, and I have friends that I just, in my community, I have friends and like, you know what I mean? I don't know, so I just put them by groups, and then I put my boyfriend in there as well. So now I have some things, like is there any like big things that I want to, like create a project around, right? Like, so this is the stuff I need to be aware of when I'm like managing my week and all the things, but what are some big projects or activities that I want to plan for in this kind of area of my life? So that's what I'm going to do right now. Like, I just have to make sure my son's ready for college. So ready for college. He's not moving there, so it's not as big of a lift as we think it is, but anyway. So we'll do that. I don't know what that looks like. So maybe it's a nothing. Maybe it's absolutely nothing, actually. My pets, they don't really have anything. My sister and my husband, my sister and her husband. I don't know. Nothing's jumping out at me. Like my friends, I'd like to kick off like some kind of routine, like see them on a routine. So maybe like get book club back going. And then summer plans. Like I know I want to have like a summer party. I know I want to go to the beach. Be a beach bum. Yeah, so I don't think there's any like big things. Like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when I start to put this into a list. I might start to like break it down. So, all right, so friends and family, different things. I have some ideas that I want to develop more, and what I'm going to do next is kind of break them down a little bit and establish some priorities around this, and either maybe say not now or yes now. So I'm going to do that in the next video for friends and family, and then we will go from there. So thanks everyone. Bye.